we have just finished doing the iPod Nano, exploration or whatever that word is. And now we will have a guest host. Please welcome Philip Campbell. Guess our audience is it? Oh, there we go. Hallelujah. Okay. What an exciting crowd. So what happened? Well, what happened? My brothers and my sister and my mom played a trick on me. So I'm gonna just fix my thing. Okay, I was just fixing my shirt. So my parents and my mom and my brothers played a trick on me. Can you specify for me? Yes, I can actually, because what happened was my brothers, they bought me like 25 little doll-around presents, like little cameras, those cameras that you fill up with water, and like little things like that. And one of the presents, my brother broke it before I even got it, so that was kind of, so I got mad because I got like $25. Yes, okay, you can stop it. $25 worth of thing, and then they come in this big box. And what I wanted was a DS, and yes, they put in this big box. So what was in it? A Nintendo DS, which are sold in the next 2 months. Nice. All right. So how did you react? I cried. You cried? I cried. You cried. I cried. You cried from a stinking... I cried. Yes, yeah. I cried when I only got around the presents because I waited 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Until they gave me the big box of... Alright. With the DS one. Yes, so, when did this happen? This was about 2 years ago. Yes. Alright, 2 years ago. When is your birthday? July 4th, yes, July 4th. It's not coming up this year, it's next year. Alright. So do you know, why they did it? Yes. What? Because, they wanted to make me mad. They did that. And that's all? Yes. If you tune in, right? Matthew Morris, there will be a clip, but I don't think we're going to be showing that on this show tonight. Okay. Alright, and does your friends and, if your brothers, your friends, and your parents always do this to you? Well, they don't really do this specific thing. They do tricks on me. Like, they say, my brother will say, sing along now. Okay, I don't know really, but they do. It's just I don't have, I didn't plan this, so I forgot this. Yes. Right, and is this the first time, that your parents and, your family members and your friends maybe even play a trick on you? Yes, this is the first time, because, yes. So, I guess you didn't enjoy and laugh at the end, right? I did laugh because I knew. Well, first you cried, right? Yeah, I cried first, and I was pouting, and then I laughed in the end. Alright. And, were you surprised when your your family didn't have anything in the present? Valuable? Yeah, anything valuable. Yes, I was. I was famous. I could like punch them in the face. Alright. Okay, never mind. Did your family look like they had to go, did they look like they had something in mind, but then, no, they didn't. No, they didn't say serious. They looked serious. Well, it looked like that was the only present that I would get. Yeah, what is the Alright, Bill. You know where Hero Team is? This is, oh my gosh, brother. Oh, no, he's going alright. So, this is the end of our show. Please give a round of applause to Philip Allen Campbell. Please give a round. Oh, sorry. Oh, it's still playing. Come sit down in my hobo chair. You're supposed to put the cheering crowd on.
You're supposed to put the cheering crowd on.
Hey, Shoba, how many eyes this?
And today, what? Click the crowd. Yeah, I will.
And today what? Click the crowd. Yeah, I will.